If you want to unfollow me, if you want to go off in the comments, please do so, because you just gonna prove me right on what I'm saying. It is a problem right now amongst black women tearing each other down. Hey my pretty girlies, today is definitely a random chit chat video. It just seems like social media has become real toxic, and the amount of bullying on social media is sick, especially amongst grown people who are supposed to know better and have filter. But you know, common sense isn't common. One thing that really disgusts me nowadays is how quick we are to judge people and automatically assume they are guilty when we don't even have half of the facts or haven't even heard from this person their side. So Miami was subpoenaed with a lawsuit. I don't really know the full terms of that and what the situation is. The thing that I am here to talk about is this grown ass bullying shit that is going on amongst black women. I don't give a rat's ass about no other culture, because ain't no other culture me. I am the culture. You get what I'm saying? I am a black woman, so I definitely can speak on this. And if you sit up here and say you don't see this and you on social media, you part of the damn problem. So she was served with the subpoena or whatnot, whoop-de-doo for whatever she did. Okay, cool. But then she go on to make a tweet, what she tweeted. She said, "I'm so tired of internet people fucking with me every day." That's number one. Then she said, "Trying to serve me papers over merch that I'm not selling is lame. Like, everybody want to go viral so bad. Let's go viral. I'm tired. Like, take y'all ass the fuck on." So that's what she was tweeting. And being in the situation that she's in right now, where she is getting a lot heat from, you know, just being associated with Diddy, from dating Diddy, from going out, from taking pictures, whatever the case may be, associating with Diddy has caused her, you know, a lot of opinions and speculations. Now, we already know how ruthless the internet can be, because I know I do it. Well, go to the comment section just to get a kiki and a ha-ha, because I already know it's about to be on 10. That's how the comment section do. I feel a certain type of way about that first tweet that she wrote. The thing that led me to comment on that post, I made a comment under the shade room, got 4,000 likes, 85 comments to what I said. I said, this form of bullying is not okay. And I hate that most of it is from women who look like her. So a lot of those comments was like, "Oh, well, she helped him sexually assault these black women. She was engaging in these illegal activities. Well, she was talking all this about black women, and she was so high and mighty, and she thinks she got all this money." What else was somebody saying? How is giving her a subpoena bullying her? How is she being bullied? They was laughing at the situation, saying that they hope that she go down just like he's going down. And this is all from black women, y'all. I would say maybe 3 black men commenting on that post. There could be more now, but when I saw it yesterday, it was mostly black women. I think I saw 1 or 2 white women. And I could be wrong on that, but when I last checked it, it had 1 or 2 white women, or women that was not a woman of color. The other comments was black women or women of color, whatever you want to call it. They look very similar to me in my skin tone. And what pissed me off too about some of those people not even considering this being bullying is like, you part of the problem, and that's why your kid might be a damn bully, because you don't even understand the different forms of bullying, nor do you understand the pile up that can contribute to a person being bullied. We have been programmed to tear our people down before the court system can even get to them. Do you understand that we make our people guilty in the public eye? And once you guilty in the public eye, even if you found not guilty in the legal system, baby, you already guilty. You already done. You already washed. You ain't even existing no more. Look what they did to Kanye. This man is not fucking crazy. And if he is crazy, so the fuck what, he may think we damn crazy. So anyways, let me get back on topic. So as I mentioned earlier in this video, of course the subpoena is not the only thing that she's been dealing with I guess, on a day-to-day basis as far as being in the headlines on the internet. Because best believe ain't none of us sin free. Not now one of us. So for people who look like me to get on this internet and say they have been saying, and I'm bringing this to light because of Young Miami, but I've seen some other of women just tearing each other down. And yes, these blogs definitely play into it. These blogs definitely will do clickbait titles, will disinform the public. Now, I don't even understand how stuff like that is acceptable. I don't understand how it's acceptable for blogs to purposely put misinformation out there like that about another person, but let you notify the public, TikTok, of some of the people that try to educate us on history, educate us on what's politically going on in this world that has been proven as a fact, somehow wind up in jail, or somehow their page end up being taken away. I just don't understand it. And that's what makes it crazy to me, that us black women can sit here and tear each other down. Ain't never seen each other day in a life but cuss each other out like a dog. And yet those pages don't get taken. They don't get banned. They don't go to jail. And I wonder why. I wonder why it's so easy for black blogs to put bullshit ass titles up and mislead their readers. And then black people, because I'm saying black people now because it's just a title, are able to comment and be so nasty, so mean, so hateful, and not a damn thing happen. I already know who controls social media and control what I see and what I hear. But because I have the free will to engage or not, I know the deal. And some of us do know, but we just choose to engage in the madness. Of course, this is bigger than the subpoena. The subpoena is just adding to the fire. That's all the subpoena is doing. This girl has been in the headline with something every day, being tied to all of this stuff. It's a buildup effect, y'all. It is absolutely bullying. If you want to unfollow me, if you want to go off in the comments, please do so, because you just gonna prove me right on what I'm saying. It is a problem right now amongst black women tearing each other down. And don't even know the person. That's the thing that get me. You don't even know this person. It almost makes me wonder, how was these black women raised? Because my grandmama always told me, if you ain't got nothing nice to say, keep your damn mouth closed. So it makes me wonder, how was your mama? Because you had to be raised improperly in that day and time, because it wasn't no interference. It wasn't anyone battling against your parents like it is today with these kids, where you trying to raise your kid the right way, but then you got social media, you got video games, you got other shit that's influencing your child to act in a different way that you did not raise them on. So most of these grown ass women that I see in this comment section didn't grow up in this generation right here. The problems that we having amongst black women in those damn comment sections is ridiculous. Let me say this. What I don't understand is, how did we get here? You know, we have these phases of unity, women empowerment, supporting one another, just being super positive. But then when a celebrity that looks like us do something publicly wrong and it's put in the public, we are the only race to tear that person down. I'm sorry. Like I can't sit up here and contribute to that negative energy that continues to get bigger and bigger and bigger amongst our community, especially with black women. We have gained so much power, masculinity, finance. We have really succumbed a lot of stuff. And I don't understand why there's so much hatred in those comments. Like, I'm not even lying. Like, y'all just go to the comment section and just read them. Look at the profiles. Just read them. They already know we don't rock with each other. Somebody in the comment section gonna say, well, we was taught to do that. Well, we was made to do that. Well, no. At some point, we got to stop using that excuse. Maybe 10 years ago, 20 years, 30 years ago, okay, I may rock with that. But now we know better. Now we have seen so much. We are unlearning so much that was taught to us. It's no excuse. It is no excuse. I am so sick of blaming other people for the we do. We know it's wrong. That's what gets me. We know it's wrong. And somehow we still do it because we think it's funny. We think it's cute. Oh, well, this person ain't gonna, I don't know them. They don't know me. So I'm just gonna say what I want to say. No. Like, words do hurt people. Imagine hearing you ain't shit every single day by people that you don't know for weeks, for months. Just think about mentally how that would drain you. And I know you may think you perfect, and I know you may think you don't do nothing wrong, but baby, trust me, you do something wrong. Trust me, baby, you do have flaws. God is the reason why he gave up his only son for your sins. So trust, believe, you do sin. One sin just may be bigger than the other, but at the end of the day, it's considered a sin. So please stop getting on here tearing down the next person because of whatever they decided to do. Now you feel like you got to put your 2 cents in it when you living in a fucking glass house yourself. Now for black women, this should be like our era. Like, this should be our, like, we that girl era. We making money. We in positions. We are, making big moves. We are handling business. We are standing 10 toes down. We got our family. We got our career. We got, our education. We got experiences. We got traveling. We got so much under our belt, y'all. So much more than most of our parents, most of our moms had at the age that we have right now. And the road that we going down of bitterness and representing unhappiness and negativity don't look good on us. It really don't. And you think other cultures don't notice that? You think other cultures don't notice that, wow, they got all this together and they got a nasty ass attitude or a nasty ass train of thought or mentality? Your mental is the most strongest thing on your body. If you can't control that, then your life gonna be in shambles. And the direction that we trying to go and climb the ladder, we can't have our mind in shambles. We can't have that negative energy around us because it transfers. And next thing you know, you done got off your rocker because the negative energy that you put into the atmosphere and came back and did a block on you. What are we doing? What are we doing?